Hey there, Database Dynamo. Welcome to the world of DBAing. You're now part of a special group, a group that keeps the digital world spinning. We're thrilled to have you. Starting a new job can be a whirlwind. New faces, new places, new routines. It's a lot to take in, but don't worry, we've all been there. Take a deep breath, get settled in, and remember, everyone's here to support you. We're excited to see the amazing things you'll accomplish. Okay, let's talk introductions. They might seem small, but trust me, they're a big deal. Why? Because first impressions matter. When you meet someone new, you're not just learning their name, you're starting to build a connection. And those connections, they're pure gold in the workplace. So how do you nail those introductions? Easy. Smile, make eye contact, and be yourself. Just a quick, friendly hello can go a long way. Remember, everyone you meet is a potential ally, a future collaborator, a source of knowledge. So put yourself out there and start building those relationships. Think of your team as your very own constellation in the vast database galaxy. Each person is a star, shining bright with their own unique skills and experience. Get to know your fellow stars. Who's the SQL guru? Who's the performance tuning whiz? Who can you turn to when you need a helping hand? Knowing your team is like having a secret weapon. You'll know exactly who to contact when you need help. And trust me, you will need help. We all do. So grab a coffee, schedule a virtual chat, or simply swing by someone's desk. Get to know the amazing people you'll be working with. Section 4. Unmasking the org chart, your roadmap to success. Now, let's talk about the organizational chart. This might seem like a mundane topic, but it's actually a crucial tool for your success. I know, it might sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but bear with me. Understanding the org chart can make a huge difference in how you navigate your new workplace. The org chart is your roadmap to understanding how everything fits together. It's like a treasure map that shows you the hidden pathways within the company. It shows you who reports to whom, giving you a clear picture of the hierarchy, which departments work closely together, and how different teams interact, and where you fit into the grand scheme of things. Knowing your place in the org chart helps you understand your role and responsibilities better. Knowing the org chart helps you navigate the company landscape. It's like having a GPS for your career journey. It helps you understand the flow of information, the decision-making process, and how different pieces of the puzzle fit together, and the overall structure of your new workplace. This knowledge can be incredibly empowering. So take a few minutes to study the org chart. Familiarize yourself with it, and you'll find it much easier to navigate your new environment. It might just save you from a few wrong turns down the road. Think of it as your personal guide to avoiding potential pitfalls and making the most of your opportunities. Section 5. Knowing your crew, why it matters. You've met your team, you've studied the org chart, now it's time to connect the dots. Understanding the structure is just the beginning. Why is it so important to understand your coworkers' roles? It's more than just knowing names and titles, because it makes you a better team player. It fosters a sense of unity and purpose. When you understand what everyone does, you can anticipate their needs, collaborate more effectively, and avoid stepping on any toes. This leads to smoother workflows and fewer misunderstandings. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Efficient teamwork can significantly boost productivity and morale. Let's say you're working on a project that requires input from the development team. Knowing their strengths and how they operate can streamline the process. Knowing who the key players are, what their roles are, and how they prefer to communicate can save you time and headaches down the line. It ensures that everyone is on the same page and working towards a common goal. Section 6. Building bridges, building success. Congratulations, my friend. You've reached a significant milestone. You've officially embarked on your DBA journey, a path that promises growth and fulfillment. It's a challenging and rewarding path, filled with endless learning opportunities and the satisfaction of keeping critical systems up and running. Every day brings new challenges and chances to innovate. As you navigate the ins and outs of your new role, remember the importance of building relationships. These connections will be your anchor. Get to know your team, understand the organizational structure, and appreciate the diverse skills each member brings. Learn about your coworkers' roles, their strengths, and how you can support each other. These connections are the foundation of your success. They foster collaboration and innovation. They'll provide you with support, guidance, and a sense of belonging in your new workplace. A strong network is invaluable. So go forth, database dynamo. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and cherish the journey. And never underestimate the power of a friendly hello. It can open doors and create lasting bonds.